going on, guys? This car here, Miami, it's a 2022 Kia K5. 2022 Kia K5. I have one of my subscribers hear me asking me to do a video on how to remove this battery. And I told that person once I get a car assigned to me, I will most definitely do it. I guess today is his lucky day because one of them came in. I'm going to show you how to take out this battery. I will show you the points first, and I will show you the work. Let's get to work. First thing first, these are the tools that you guys are gonna need. A flathead screwdriver, yes, a flathead screwdriver. I'm gonna show you the reason for the flathead screwdriver. A 10 millimeter, a number 12, an extension, and a hand ratchet. If you guys have the hardest drill, go ahead and use the hardest drill. If not, go ahead and use the hand ratchet. Okay, let's get to work. The first thing I'm going to show you guys first is the reason for the flathead. See this piece? Gotta take it off. Put the light there so you guys can see. In order to take off this piece right here, guys, right here, you're going to use the flathead. You're going to put it right behind this thing right here, and you're going to pry it up. See that? See? You're going to pry it up just like that. Gonna pry it up. Move the light. Gonna pry it up and lift it off. Comes off. Okay. And this one, press this in. Pick it up. Then you're gonna loose that. Take it off. You're gonna. Sorry about that. Sorry, my bad. Gonna loose this. Take it off. Gonna twist it. Take it off. Over here, this is the positive, this is the negative, this is the black, this is the red. All right, remember the red always positive. Gonna lose that one. You don't have to take it off all the way, just partially move it, twist it, take it off. Now that we get the current, this is the current that that runs through the vehicle. Okay guys, now down here, this is the important part. This is the most important part. See that screw right there and that bracket, that is what's actually holding down the battery. That screw right there and that bracket, that is a number 12, guys, which is this right here, which is this one. All right, that is a 12. So you're gonna take that from right there, and then you move that bracket out of there, and then you're gonna slide the battery back. You're gonna lift these two arms up and take out the battery. When you go to put by the battery, make sure you slide it back in there, because there is a groove back there that the battery slides up underneath the groove. Just like that. Okay. Now, those are the point. Stay tuned and watch the work. All right, guys. Going to take off this one first, the positive. It doesn't matter which one you take off first. Just go ahead and take them off. Because you do not have to take that nut off completely, just halfway. Twist it off of this. See that? Twist it off and it comes off. Go ahead and put this aside. Okay, put this aside. Leave it right there. We're gonna do this one now. Just like that. That's it. See that? Comes right off. Put that aside. Now we're gonna take the nut from down there, the 12. Now guys, okay, the extension number 12. See this? That's the bracket and the nut. Okay? back in the nuts. Then you're gonna flip these things up, bring the battery back this way, forward, like that, and pick it up. Yeah, just like that. Let me show you guys the groove that I'm talking about. Alright, you see this groove right here, guys? When this is why I tell you to slide back the battery, then pick it up. When you put back the battery, make sure to slide back the battery that it goes up underneath here, because right here, you see the lip of the battery, the lip here, slide up underneath here. So when you put back the battery, slide it back up underneath there, and you're gonna put back the bracket that goes down there. You guys see that? That's how we do that. Comes right out, okay? Now we're gonna put this thing back the same way we take it out. Just put it in reverse. Rewind it. Hold it like this. Put it down. Line it up. Make sure you sit down there flat and push it back in. Slide it back in. Just like that. It's in. Now we're gonna put back this. Make sure that the lip of this thing right here sits on top of the battery. Then you want to catch that screw by hand, guys. Do not go ahead and tighten it over. You're gonna put this thing over the screw and turn it. Just like that. Now go ahead and tie it down. That's it, guys. See? Battery's good. Ain't going nowhere. They're gonna put these things down. Take this one right here. And put that back on there. Make sure it's down there flat. You're gonna tie that back. Take this one. Put it down. Tie it back. That's it. Put that down. Put this piece back. That's it. This one is pretty simple, guys. This battery is pretty simple. It's not that hard, all right? It's your turn. All right. As you guys see, this one was not that it was not that difficult. It's pretty simple. Just take your time, watch the video, and go ahead and get the job done, baby. All right. Go ahead, guys, bang that like, hit that subscribe, and rock with your boy, baby. I will see you guys in the next video, baby. Your boy working on it. Check it out. Bam.